Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into another new episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list your book in Rico Matrix. In case this is your first time to watch this video, I want you to understand that Rico Matrix is a decentralized platform, the world's first learn-to-earn platform where you can list your book on the blockchain technology and get paid royalties forever. So the book library is live now, and every author can list he or her book. So all you just need to do is to go to ricometrics.com, then you connect your wallet. Before you even connect your wallet, this is how it's going to look like. So once you open it, you can see the world's best DeFi learn to earn library for skills, chapters, and also books. So this metric system pays royalty passive income once you buy a chapter, and also some activities. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. Let me connect MetaMask. Let me accept the connection. So once you connect your wallet, this is how it's going to show on a desktop. So you can also navigate this ricometrics.com on your smartphone. Make sure that you use a wallet like SafePal or MetaMask. So once you open it, this is dashboard. You can see this is how my dashboard looks like. You can even see your referral link. So let me go to library, because that's where I want to take us through. This is the library. Once you come to the library, you will see some books that have been listed already. 4 books have been listed so far with 3 active authors. So all you just need to do is to come here and click on launch a book. So if you click on launch a book here, the next thing you're going to see is submit a book for moderation. So upload a PDF and thumbnail for automated moderation, fingerprint, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now all you just need to do is to come to this place, book title. I have a book here. Let me copy it. 20 AI ways to make millions. So let me get it. Then let me come back here and paste it. Then description. You have to copy the description and add. So this is my description here. I'll copy it and add. So that's just it. And what else? I'll come here again. I will say, okay, the book itself, I'll come and open it. Where is the book? Where is the book? Where is the book? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let me check it. Okay, here is it. So the book have been added. The next thing you need to do is to add a thumbnail. So all you just need to do is, I'm on Canva right now. This, we call it Canva Pro. Let me copy this. Let me go to home. I'll click on template. I'll just say generate a beautiful book cover. cover. Okay, now I want to get some. I'm using Canva. Canva is a place where you can design you can design any graphic. Yes, and also the good thing about it is that I'm using Canva Premium. So, okay, so it's bringing out some things here for me. I think I'm liking this already. Okay. 20 AI ways to make millions. I think I like this. I'll go with this one. What will I do next? I'll use Canva editor, then blah, blah, blah. Remember, you need to create this thing you can use. If you already have a book cover, good and fine. But if by Bamo gift, okay. Uh, think all I can do here is to download it. I'll just say 20 ways, 20 AI ways to make millions. Okay, I've titled it. Let me download it now. Let me click on download. Let it be in JPEG. Then let me click download. Okay, it's currently downloading. So my book cover is done. Let me go back here. So the wallet address, you can enter whatever wallet address you wish to enter. But as for me, I want to use the wallet address for this same wallet. So all I just have to do is to go here, blah, blah, blah. Let me check on download. Then let me scroll down, check on the, oh my goodness. So let me check on the challenge. Okay, here is it. Okay, the book cover has been downloaded. The next thing I just need to do is to click on start upload and moderation. So once you do that, you will see it will be scanning. So it is scanning to first of all check whether there is any violent content, and then number two, it will also check whether the book is copyrighted or not. And then you can see this is the, all right, you can see here is it. We are now in the second this thing. Number one, you can see the moderation it has checked. Uh, it have also pushed it on the blockchain for, and then it's just waiting for the transaction to be completed. There you can see the live marketplace also pending. So we are 95% done. You can see the book has been approved. Congratulations. The IPFS is the storage. It has successfully been stored. The auto wallet have also been accepted. The USDT balance, it has shown that I have 5.8 USDT. So publishing this book will require 3 USDT, which shows that I've passed it. Rico, for you to be able to list your book, you need a minimum of 100 Rico coins, because these 100 coins will be born automatically. So I have it. You can see what I have, which is okay. So all I just need to do now is to approve USDT allowance and also approve Rico allowance, and this book will be listed instantly. So also I need to set the price. Let me first of all approve. Good. I'm approving USDT. Blah blah blah. So you just have to, if it doesn't, all right, beautiful, beautiful. So ignore the message. This is a message from SafePal. Just MetaMask, just ignore it. Then, sorry. Then you click on this, submit. All right, so all you just need to do next is to enter the price of the book. I want to sell this book at 2 point, let's say I want to sell this book at $1.99. So I'll enter it this way. Then let me approve Rico. Okay, I'm approving Rico right now. So blah, blah, blah. Here we go. The next thing I'm going to do here is to go back to home. Then now I've entered the amount. Once you've done this approval, the next thing to do is to click on list on blockchain. So we are now listing this book, ladies and gentlemen. So we've approved everything, we've passed this. What is happening in the background is agentic AI is checking the whole thing to ensure that yes, everything is fine. So let's list our book. All you just need to do is to click on lists on the blockchain. Then the transaction will be sent. So let me sign this transaction, click on confirm. So the transaction is currently signed. Congratulations, it has been submitted. So it is currently listing the book. So now this book have been listed with the ID, blah, blah, blah. So all you just need to do is, let's come here, listed title one, book price one, okay. Let's come here and check rate, okay. So once the book is listed, this is how it's going to look like. So what we just need to do as an author, okay, total of 2 books. So I have listed 2 books. You can see it here. And then ready to list, okay, blah, blah, blah. If you come here, you can see these are the books that I've listed. So stage completed, congratulations. You can see this one, this is the price, this one, this is the price. Then for on-chain ID, this is the ID. So let's say this book, if you want to check, for example, this quantum computing that I bought, I listed in the morning, I did some little purchase test running. So if you come to wallet, let's click on NFT. If we click on NFT, let's wait patiently. You're going to see something here. Let's click on NFT. So you see that this NFT, this book created an NFT. So this is the NFT that we got. I hope you can see. So that's just it. And then also, one thing you need to understand is the ID token 4. You can see it, ID 4. This is it here, ID 4. So you get NFT in your wallet once you purchase the book. And also, another thing you can see, this is the contract address for the Rico Matrix Library. If let's say we come here, okay, this is it, the contract address. It ends with 035. So contract address, blah, blah, blah. You can see it here. Here is it. 035. So that's just it, ladies and gentlemen. You get an NFT that represents your wallet and then your the purchase that you've done. So, and not only that, ladies and gentlemen, also you can navigate this book library uh, more and more. Let's say you come here, you want to go to marketplace, you come, you can see here, you see a lot of things here, then boom, 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 let's go. That's just it. If somebody wants to buy the book, all they just need to do is by the time they come to the marketplace, the ones they've connected their wallet, it's going to look this way. Let's say you want to buy the book, all you just need to do is to click on view book. You will see the book here. Then all you just need to do, you can see purchase to unlock. So this is the book. AI, blah, blah, blah. You can see author. This is the author, wallet address. Then, everything is decentralized. So we are making sure that everything remains as decentralized as possible. So you come here right now, want to approve spending. blah, blah, blah. You click this way. I am approving USDT spending. You also have to approve because for you to buy the book, you will spend 5 Rico coins. So this 5 Rico coins is being born automatically. You can see it here, 5 Rico. So the 5 Rico coins is being born automatically. This is to reduce the supply of Rico token to make it even more scarce. So once you are done, there are two options. It's either you buy it yourself, you buy it for yourself, or if you have somebody that you want to buy it for, all you just need to do is to enter the person wallet address, then you click on gift. So once you click on gift, you will sign the transaction. So you are now buying for that person. As you're buying for that person, the person will be able to have this book and be able to read it. So let me click on buy book. Okay. Once you do that, you click on confirm. Once you've confirmed, okay. So that's it. Automatically, let's click on close. We've successfully bought the book. The book have been purchased, so we now own this book. So all we just need to do at this point is to click on open reader. So once you're done, you click on open reader. After you've clicked on open reader, so it is loading. Here you can see, here are the stuffs. You can see it here. So that's it. Here we go, here we go, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You can see blah, blah, blah. Here are the books. So that's just it. Here is it. So ladies and gentlemen, that's just how to buy and also list your book as an author. So here we go. The staking protocol will also be available whereby you can stake your Rico coins because it's very important so that you stake your coins to earn even more coins. You can see this is USDT. This is a Rico contract address. So you can copy it to add it into your wallet. So you copy it, you go into your wallet, you click on tokens, you click on, all you just need to do here is to click on add in this little sign, import tokens, then you paste it. It will search for it. If it doesn't search, you click on add custom, you paste it. Once you do that, it will bring out all these functionalities. Click on next, then click import. So you see that it has imported to the Rico tokens. And I have 60 tokens, Rico tokens left. So that's just it, ladies and gentlemen. See you in another new episode. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Join Rico Matrix right now and make unlimited cash flow.